I've made almost $1,500 since I started my YouTube channel, and I'm not even monetized yet. I'll be breaking down my two main sources of income and also showing you screenshots so you can understand the full picture of how I've made money without being monetized so far and how you can do the same. Before I jump into my income streams, I want to give an overview of the YouTube monetization process as well as my experience with YouTube as a source of income so far. First, to be eligible for the YouTube Partners Program, which allows creators to earn money off of the ads run on their videos, you must have at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours within the last 12-month period, or alternatively, you can have 10 million shorts views within the last 90 days. As of the recording of this video, I have 821 subscribers and 1,710 watch hours. I have had my YouTube channel for about 8 months now, but I would say that I have only really been consistently posting for 6 of those 8 months. When I started my YouTube channel, it was never my intention to be a little bit inconsistent there, but there were just some times that I was traveling and unable to script and record videos beforehand, so that's the reason for some of that inconsistency. But I am getting back on the bandwagon now, and I'm even hoping to go for 2 long-form videos a week and even throw in a couple of YouTube shorts into that mix as well. One thing I have learned about building a YouTube channel as a second source of income is that everyone's journey is so unique. When I had just started my YouTube channel, I would watch a ton of videos on people's monetization journeys, and what you'll notice if you like watching those videos too is that everyone's journey is so different. There are some people who get monetized within 1 month of starting YouTube, and then other people who, it takes them years to reach the monetization requirements. So wherever you are, just don't give up, because even if you're not yet monetized, you're still learning a lot and developing a lot of good skills along the way. Like, you're learning how to script videos, how to create thumbnails, what titles work and what doesn't work. And if you go and look at my previous videos or my very first videos that I've uploaded, you'll see that I have come a long way, especially in learning how to really script my videos and show up on camera better. I just remember being so scared to film my very first video. But now it's getting a little easier for me. It's becoming more second nature for me to show up on camera, and I'm still learning a whole lot. I know I still have some learning to do, but it's worth it. This journey to monetization is worth it. So wherever you are in your YouTube journey, don't give up, because you don't have to be monetized in order to start making money on YouTube. And I will be sharing my 2 income streams, which are digital products and referral codes. Let's start with digital products first. So I created a budgeting spreadsheet and then made a YouTube video showing how I use that spreadsheet in my monthly budgeting process. And I'll insert a clip from that video right here. And then on the right here, I have 2 different charts. The first chart is a cash flow summary, and this will populate based on the I released that video on December 22nd, 2022, and I think the timing of when I released that video had a lot to do with why I ended up doing so well, and is currently the most popular video on my channel right now. So I released that video around the New Year's time, when people are thinking about resolutions, how to be better with their money, how to get their finances in order, and I think that really helped to spike the views. So just some advice to my fellow creators or soon-to-be creators: try and plan your content around trends or times of the year that just flow naturally with what people are searching at a particular time or looking for at a particular time, so that your video can kind of ride on the popularity of that trend. So with my video, I was selling the budgeting spreadsheet for $5.99, and I just left the link in the description box of that video, and I ended up making $293.51 in sales. Not bad at all, especially considering that this was fully passive income for me. I was not marketing the spreadsheet anywhere else on my social media. It was just purely traffic from this YouTube video that was driving sales for me. And I remember like waking up to sales and just getting notifications throughout the day, and that was really cool. And that just showed me the power of digital products. But I will say, do not let anybody convince you that making digital products is easy, because it does take a lot of upfront work to create that product, and that will take a lot of time and effort on your part. But then once it is created, then it's a lot easier, because all you have to do is, just have a source of marketing for that product, and then sales will continually come in. As for my plans with this product, right now my video has kind of plateaued, and like I said, I'm not really marketing this spreadsheet anywhere else on my social media. But I think I will probably experiment with changing the thumbnail and the title on that video to see if that makes a difference, if it will rank higher in search with a new title and thumbnail. And I'm also considering creating content like Instagram Reels or YouTube Shorts using that spreadsheet to drive more traffic to that page and to buy that spreadsheet. But I'm also planning on creating some new digital products and offers that I'll be marketing both on YouTube and through my email list. So make sure you sign up for my email list if you're not on it, because my email list is always the first to know about my new digital products and new freebies that I create. And you'll get access to exclusive discount codes just for my email list. So sign up using the link in the description box below. The second way I make money on YouTube without being monetized is through referral codes. And referral codes has actually been my largest income stream, bringing in $1,000 so far. And all of that money has just come through one video on my channel, which is a review of Thrive Market. And Thrive Market is an online organic grocery store. And that video is called "I Tried Thrive Market to See If It's a Ripoff." I posted that video on May 21st, 2023. And it is not a sponsored video. If you go and look at the comments of that Thrive video, you'll see that people were confused about the fact that I was saying it was not a sponsored video, although I had a referral code. So for anybody who is confused about the two, I just want to clear this up, because a referral code and a sponsorship are two very different things. If Thrive Market had sponsored me to create that video, that would mean that they had paid me specifically to make that video. But Thrive Market did not pay me anything to make that video. I was just interested myself in signing up for Thrive. I decided to get a membership. I paid for my own grocery order myself. And then I just decided to make a review, an honest review of my experience shopping at Thrive for my YouTube channel. And every member who signs up at Thrive Market gets a referral code or a referral link, which allows anybody who uses that link to receive 40% off of their first order at Thrive. And then in turn, I receive $40 in Thrive Cash. So far I've had 26 people click that referral link and sign up, and then 25 people have actually become members of Thrive. So I have received $1,000 in Thrive Cash. This money has been super helpful in just being able to buy groceries, not only for myself, but I've also been able to purchase groceries for my parents and my siblings, which has been a really big blessing. And my referral code is purely passive income, and you can see from the screenshot from the YouTube Studio app that a lot of my traffic for this video is coming specifically from YouTube search, which is amazing, because as long as people are searching Thrive Market or for a Thrive Market review, my video will continue to come up and will continue to generate me income passively. In terms of which income stream is the easiest between digital products and referral codes, I'm definitely going to have to say referral codes win, because they don't have the heavy lifting in the front that you have to do with digital products to actually create the product. But obviously for both digital products and referral codes or referral links, you have to create some sort of way to market and let people know that you have this product or this link. So that's kind of the same for both, but referral codes is easier because you don't have to do a lot of that upfront work. But for me going forward, I think I will continue to pursue both digital products and referral codes as sources of income, because I think it's good to diversify my sources of income. And I also do want to get into sponsored content as my channel grows. And then of course, I hope to get monetized on YouTube here soon. So until that happens, I will continue to keep coming on YouTube, being consistent here and talking about personal finance and investing. So if you're interested in learning more about those topics, click the video on the screen to hear about how the stock market actually works and 2 proven methods of how you can use the stock market to build wealth.